Alright, this problem is like the one before it, but there's tons of negatives, so it's really important that we take our time, make sure we don't mess up any of the signs. But again, first thing I'm going to do is simplify each side of the inequality. So negative 3 times x would be negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3 would be positive 9. Bring down that minus 9. On the other side, I'm going to distribute and get 2x plus 10. Now, I am going to do this 9 minus 9. I don't have to do the same thing on both sides because they're both on the left. I'm just simplifying the left side. 9 minus 9 is 0, so it cancels out. So I'm left with negative 3x is less than or equal to 2x plus 10. So, to get x by itself, I need to bring all the x's to one side. So I'm going to do minus 2x on both sides. Not dividing because I'm bringing the entire term to the other side. 2x minus 2x is 0, so that cancels out. And minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x. Like signs, add and keep the sign. Now, to get x by itself, I have to divide by negative 5. This should be a flag going off in your head because whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, the symbol of the inequality needs to switch. So this symbol needs to flip over. X is greater than or equal to negative 2. So this is the correct answer. Now I'm just going to show my answer in interval notation and on a graph, on a number line. So in interval notation, I know I want all of the x's that are bigger than negative 2. So I'm going to go from negative 2, keep going, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to infinity. When I want bigger numbers, I'm going to go to positive infinity. Negative 2 is the smallest, infinity is the biggest. Infinity always gets a rounded bracket, and since there is an equal to symbol, I'm going to put in a straight bracket. When I make my graph, again, they just gave you a line, so you have to put your numbers in. Make sure that you count evenly. Don't just put one dot. Try to make it look good. Then I know I want negative 2, and I want to go all of the numbers bigger. So I want to color this in, everything that's bigger on my number line, and that line is going to go forever. The last thing I need to do though is clarify, at negative 2, is this negative 2 a correct solution as well? Well, since x could be equal to the negative 2, yes, it did get a square bracket, because negative 2 is a correct solution. So I have my answer, I have my interval notation, and I have my graph.